Here's my honest take on InstaDoodle. If you need explainer videos that look like a studio made them, but you only have simple text prompts and a laptop, this tool can change your workflow. Let me show you what it actually does, who it's for, and where its limits are. Normally, you have 3 painful options: wrestle with complex video software for hours, hire expensive freelancers, and hope the result fits your brand, or just skip video altogether. All 3 cost you time, money, or momentum. That's exactly the problem InstaDoodle is built to solve. InstaDoodle is a cloud-based AI doodle video creator. You don't install anything. You log in, type what you want your video to show, choose a style, and their Doodle AI engine turns your ideas into whiteboard-style or color explainer videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever your audience is. The promise is simple: studio-grade explainer videos in just a few clicks, without hiring a crew. Templates, doodle elements, and animations are already built in, so you focus on your message, not on keyframes and timelines. It's speed and simplicity first, with room to customize. The star of the show is Doodle AI. You write a prompt describing what you want on screen, and the engine generates doodle elements that match your idea. Need a teacher explaining a concept, a product being unboxed, or a funnel diagram? You describe it. Doodle AI builds the visuals you can drop into your scene. You don't start from a blank canvas, either. InstaDoodle gives you project templates for promos, reviews, tutorials, and more, plus a library of over 1,000 doodle characters and elements. You can even pick different male or female drawing hands to match the tone of your brand or your audience. Inside the drag-and-drop editor, you can rearrange scenes, tweak text, add your logo, and even import your own images. The built-in editor lets you remove backgrounds, sketch over images, and adapt everything without opening another app. You can layer music and voiceover so your message lands clearly. InstaDoodle isn't locked into one look. You can switch between AI styles like caricature, cartoon, or more realistic, generate color or black and white doodles, pick from different animation types, and choose aspect ratios that fit YouTube, Reels, Stories, or Square feeds, with slide transitions to keep everything flowing. InstaDoodle is built for entrepreneurs, marketers, educators, agencies, and content creators who need to turn ideas into watchable videos fast. Whether you're promoting a product, teaching a lesson, or explaining a process, it's there to handle the visuals so you can stay focused on your message and strategy. It's important to be clear: InstaDoodle is a powerful tool, not a magic ATM. It doesn't guarantee views, sales, or viral hits. You still need a good script, a clear offer, and a basic understanding of your audience. Think of it as removing the technical barrier between your ideas and a polished explainer video. The workflow looks like this. You choose a template, write your script or bullet points, use Doodle AI to generate visuals, drop in doodle elements or your own images, add your voiceover and music, and hit render. Cloud rendering does the heavy lifting, so you can move on to your next task while the video exports in HD. Creators use InstaDoodle for product promos, affiliate reviews, client presentations, course lessons, and social ads. Reviews highlight how it turns boring topics into engaging whiteboard stories, and how non-designers can finally make videos that look like they hired an animation studio without actually doing that. One big advantage: InstaDoodle is structured so you can create as many explainer videos as you like with commercial use instead of paying per video. That means you can test different hooks, offers, and audiences, iterate quickly, and keep the winners running without worrying about production costs stacking up. Instead of a heavy monthly subscription, this special offer focuses on a one-time payment for ongoing access, plus a money-back guarantee for a defined period. If you build videos with InstaDoodle and decide it's not for you, you can ask for a refund and keep what you've already created. That makes it easy to try in real projects. With video dominating online attention and explainer content converting so well, the real risk is waiting. Every month you delay, you stay dependent on freelancers or skip video entirely. If you already know that explainer videos fit your business, giving InstaDoodle a serious test now can save you a lot of production friction later. If turning simple text prompts into high-impact explainer videos sounds like the shortcut you've been looking for, click the official InstaDoodle link in the description. Check the features, watch the demos, read more user stories, and then decide if this AI doodle engine deserves a place in your content toolkit.